We are WG Locksmiths team. And today, we will be looking at latch lubrication. You may come across an issue with your door not latching properly. Door stops on the latch. Remains opened. This is how door closing should look like. Door closes automatically. All the way in. Remains closed. Here is a way that should fix that issue. You will need WD-40 lubricant. Here is how to apply it to the latch. Press and hold the handle. Apply one shot to the top corner. Release and press the handle to spread the lubricant. The door should be now closing on its own. If it's still not closing, it may be a sign of either problem with the alignment, or a door closer needs adjusting. Contact us to book an appointment with the details from this video. This will help us to give you the best advices and quote. Thank you for watching.